In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage the output language settings in NotebookLM and verify which languages are currently supported. I'll start here on my main dashboard and navigate up to the top right corner to click on the settings gear icon. From the drop-down menu, I'm selecting Output Language to open up the configuration settings. You'll see a pop-up window titled Configure Settings with an option to choose your language override. By default, mine is set to English. But when I click into this box, a comprehensive list of available languages appears. I'm going to scroll through this list so you can see just how many options there are. We have everything from Filipino and French to Italian, Japanese, and Korean. This is really helpful if you need the AI to generate responses in a specific dialect or if you are working across different regions and need to confirm that English is correctly selected. Now, to double-check the official support, I'm opening a new tab to visit the Google Help Center. Here, it explicitly states that NotebookLM is currently available in over 80 languages. As I scroll down this documentation page, you can see the full alphabetical list. This confirms that the platform is built for a global audience, making it easy to switch between English or any other language you prefer for your specific projects. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.